dough from any local store, Walmart, anywhere. Then you need to get your flour. You gotta cut it open, pour it wherever you're gonna pour it at. There you go. I think that's enough. And you cut your flour a little bit. And then, you cut it into lines now. You just spread it around. You grab your dough. You need the flour is so the dough doesn't stick to your hands. Just throw it on there like that. Guys, this flour, don't confuse it with nothing else. It's a little sticky, Then you just pour it on that. Don't worry if you make a mess. You're gonna like scream at you, but just don't worry. You just gotta yeah, that's a little bit too much. So you just gotta sort of put it open and you put it on your pizza pan. You move the flour out of the way. Don't do what I did. And you just ziploc for that later. And you start opening that pizza up. The Primo traditional tomato sauce. You could get it at any local Publix, Walmart, same thing. So now you open it. Stab it, open it. Now, gotta be careful with this one. So now, use the same knife, you gotta stir it a little bit. Just put as much as you want. It's gonna be easier like that. That's good enough. You put like a saucy. Now you just back and forth, like if you were putting butter on a bread. Mozzarella cheese. This is gonna melt like if there's no tomorrow. Like it was baking in the sun in Miami. So you open it again. Be safe with the knife. Do this under your parents' supervision. Just cut it open. I'm 18, so I can do it. Cut it and then just as much cheese as you like. The cheesier the better. You spread on it. You just spread cheese everywhere. Try to keep it on the pizza more than off the pizza because it's going to be a lot better. Last slice of the cheese and boom, you have
pepperoni. I like to go pepperoni more than the regular cheese. So you open the pepperoni. Be careful with the knife. Open it. There you go. You just throw the pepperoni at the first freaking flying gear. Okay, make it on the pizza. You just throw it. Get on off the pizza. Then don't throw it. Just put it on the pizza. Right there. You see? Pepperoni. For as much as you want. I think that's enough. There's it. Perfect pizza. Now we just take it to the oven.
So guys, now we take our beautiful pizza. It's really nice. I'm Chef. I used to work in Domino's or Pabellon. So now we put it in our oven. We have it preheated at 375. It's already preheated. So you put it in there for like 20 minutes and you let it sit. And then you just pull it out and you start eating it. Guys, welcome back to your regular pizza with Chef from Papa John's. So here's your pizza. It's already done. It was sitting here for 20 minutes. Look at this. I'm telling you, from Papa John's, dude, I'm the chef. I used to work there for like 2 years. Look at this pizza. It's perfect. Now I'm gonna eat it. Thanks for watching my video of how to make a pizza. Wanda didn't do none of it. She's just holding the camera. It's freaking great. At least I get to eat a pizza. That's my reward. But still, I wouldn't recommend to do this